Hello all. Let us see active and passive voice. Verbs are either active or passive in voice. In the active voice, the subject and verb relationship is straightforward. In the passive voice, the subject of the sentence is not straightforward. For example, the window is broken. The class has been cancelled. But passive voice should be avoided when you want more clarity in writing. You can easily rewrite an active sentence to a passive sentence. Sam wrote a letter to Jamie. A letter was written to Jamie by Sam. So here, the object in the active sentence becomes a subject in the passive sentence. The verb is changed to be verb plus past participle. The government built a new bridge. That is the active sentence. You want to change the passive sentence, that is, a new bridge was built by the government. Next example, I recommend that you apply for this position. So it is recommended that it is recommended that you apply for this position. So once again, let us have a look. In the active voice, the subject and the verb relationship is straightforward. But when you come to the passive voice, it is not straightforward. It is shown with by plus do or er, or is not shown in the sentence. The window is broken. It is not known who broke the window. So that is the passive voice. Or it is not important to know who broke the window. These are examples of passive voice. The building was built in 1990. Thank you.